We'll guide you through how to fix the iPhone wide-angle 0.5 camera not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a frustrating problem when the wide-angle 0.5 zoom isn't working. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try, make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. So what you can do is you can go and open up the camera app like so. So you should go and see the option for 0.5 at the bottom. You probably try tapping there. What you can also try doing is pinching in. So place your two fingers like so and pinch in. Go and see if that then goes and gets it working. If you still can't get it to work, try restarting the app. So with it open, you can swipe up on it like so, not all the way to close it, but sort of do it quite slowly like so. Then you can swipe up on it. Then you can reopen it up. Then you can try pressing at the bottom or zooming in with your fingers and go and see if it will then go and work. Now, if you still find that it doesn't, let's try performing a forced restart. So you can try pressing the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now go and keep this held down. Perhaps there's some type of problem that a restart will go and fix. So just keep that side button held down. We'll keep it held down until we go and see the Apple logo, like so. Release, and now it's going to go and start coming back on. Keep waiting, and now it's come back on. So we can go and unlock it. And then what you can try doing is using the camera and putting it into wide angle by the button or by doing it with your fingers. Also, just check to see if it's a problem with just a specific app. You could try using the main camera app or another app. If you find it's a problem with just a specific app, then what you could do, if possible, is you could go and take the photo in the main camera app or a different one. And then in the app where it's not working, you can go and add it from your gallery. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then consider subscribing and liking the video.